how to subtract numbers with decimals. So, let's get straight to the point here, no wasting time. Let's solve it here in part A. The only thing you need to pay attention to here is when setting up the operation. I have 36.4 minus 24.2. Here, we need to line up the decimal points, one directly under the other, so it will look like this, 24.2. That's the only thing you really need to pay attention to, making sure those decimal points are lined up one under the other. The decimal points have to be aligned for you to do the operation, the subtraction, correctly. Now just subtract. 4 minus 2 equals 2. The decimal point in the answer will also come straight down, staying aligned. So put the comma here. Look, 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So, 36.4 minus 24.2 equals 12.2. Now let's go to letter B, right here. I have 257 minus 45.3. 257.8 minus 45.3. The decimal point has to be lined up, see? The decimal point, you have to put the decimal point here, so it will be 45.3. That's the only thing you need to pay attention to so you don't get the calculation wrong. You can't just come here and do 257.8 minus 45.3. Here it's completely wrong because the decimal point isn't lined up, it's misaligned. If you do it this way, you'll get the calculation wrong. Now here, the comma is aligned, just do the operation, 8 minus 3 equals 5. The decimal point in the result stays lined up. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 2 minus nothing, 2 minus 0 equals 2. So, 257.8 minus 45.3 equals 212.5. So, in a really simple and quick way, we calculated here, we did the subtraction of numbers with decimals. The only thing you need to pay attention to is lining up one decimal point directly under the other. Now, I'll see you in the next video that's showing up here on your screen. Big hug to you all, and may God bless you.